Good evening, everyone. I hope all of you are fine and doing great. I'm here with the video of changing active sentences into passive sentences for future tense. Already I have told you that only two aspects of future tense are supposed to be changed into passive voice. The very first one is future indefinite and the next one is future perfect. Let's start the topic, and first of all I'll tell you about the helping verbs of future indefinite tense and future perfect tense. For indefinite tenses, we take the helping verb of continuous tenses. So for future indefinite tense, the helping verb is will be or shall be. And for perfect tense, helping verbs are will have been and shall have been. First of all, I have future indefinite positive sentences, and examples are the man will contact his friend. This is the structure of future indefinite sentence. The man is subject, will is used as helping verb, contact is verb, his friend is object. This is also the structure of active sentence. Let me apply all the rules. The very first rule is replacement of subject and object. So his friend is replaced with the man. Next, we have to use proper helping verb. I have told you that the helping verb is will be. Contacted is the third form of verb. Next rule is use of preposition by, and at the end we have to take the object. So his friend will be contacted by the man. She will welcome the guests. The guests will be welcomed by her. He will eat the meal. In future indefinite tense, we use first form of verb with helping verb, and in passive sentences we have to use third form of verb. The meal will be eaten by him. He will drive a new car. A new car will be driven by him. She will buy a new phone. A new phone will be bought by her. They will make mistakes. Mistakes will be made by them. Future indefinite negative sentences, they will not water the plants. The plants will not be watered by them. Only addition of be is here. I will not follow the rules. The rules will not be followed by me. We will not hit the ball. The ball will not be hit by us. Apply all the 5 rules and keep one thing in mind, that transitive verbs will be changed into passive voice. She will not carry the bag. The bag will not be carried by her. He will not receive a gift. A gift will not be received by him. The cat will not eat meat. Meat will not be eaten by the cat. She will not call me. I will not be called by her. Now future indefinite interrogative sentences. Will they play cricket? Will be there at its place. Will cricket be played by them? Shall I call you? Will you be called by me? Will you call me? Shall I be called by you? Will she accept my request? Will my request be accepted by her? Will he ride a bicycle? Will a bicycle be ridden by him? Questions will be changed into passive voice, but still they'll be remain questions. Now next is future perfect tense. Helping verbs for future perfect tense are will have been and shall have been according to the subjects. Positive sentences are here. She will have called me. I will have been called by her. They will have attended the party. The party will have been attended by them. I will have planted a tree. A tree will have been planted by me. The dog will have bitten the child. The child will have been bitten by the dog. My neighbor will have invited me to the lunch. My neighbor is subject here. Will have is already helping verb of perfect tense. Invited is third form of verb. Me is object, and to the lunch is a additional complementary part of the sentence, or it can be a phrase. I will have been invited to the lunch by my neighbor. The company will have selected her as their employee. She will have been selected by the company as their employee. Now future perfect negative sentences. The boys will not have celebrated their victory. Their victory will not have been celebrated by the boys. The old man will not have parked the car. The car will not have been parked by the old man. The drivers will not have violated the traffic rules. The traffic rules will not have been violated by the drivers. The kids will not have sung a song. The kids is subject here. Will not have is a helping verb. Sung is third form of verb. A song is object. Replacement of subject object. So a song will be at the subject place. Will not have been is a proper helping verb for this tense. Third form of verb that is sung by its preposition. The kids is the object of this passive sentence. The officers will not have taken an oath. An oath will not have been taken by the officers. Now finally, future perfect interrogative sentences. Will she have cut her finger? This is the sentence structure of future perfect interrogative sentence, or it can be the structure of active sentence, that is subject, transitive verb and object. For making it question, first of all we will write will. Her finger have been cut by her. Will they have reserved a table at the restaurant? Will a table have been reserved by them at the restaurant? Shall I have submitted the check? Will the check have been submitted by me? Will he have rejected the request? Will the request have been rejected by me? Will they not have enjoyed the trip? Will the trip not have been enjoyed by them? This was all about future tense. For your convenience, I have taken similar examples in all the tenses. Just go through them, just recall the rules, just apply the strategy, and then finally try to write down your own sentences, imagine your own sentences, and then convert them into passive voice. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. I'll be there with my next video soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.